Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to add payment options on your WhatsApp business. So let's get started. What you need to do is go to your WhatsApp business. This guys, not WhatsApp. This is my normal WhatsApp. I'm talking about WhatsApp business here. So this is it. This one. Just click on the WhatsApp business. And then you go to tools. When you click on your tools, you can say create your ad, perform manager, catalog, quick, easy. Now you click on your profile and let's see if there's any way to add the method of payment here. No, so there's no any payment option here. Let's say they're going to check another one here. Our catalog, you can see. So guys, I think WhatsApp has not enabled us to add the payment option on our WhatsApp for now. The settings of WhatsApp as at now hasn't allow the users to put the payment option quietly on your WhatsApp business page in Nigeria. I didn't know for other country it might work in your country. So if you're in another country, just come to this choose and you'll be able to see the payment option here. But it is not right on the WhatsApp I'm using, which is for Nigerian. So guys, if you are from other countries, just come to your WhatsApp business choose and you'll be able to find your payment option here. For those that are in Nigeria right now, WhatsApp has not allowed us to add our payment option here, so we are unable to do it. You just have to sell your goods and collect your money directly. So guys, if this helps, click the like button and subscribe, and you can drop any comments there. Thank you.